there is a lot being said about the protests right now, about how the courts are responding to the protests, and how and the remarks made in the courts.
No, the courts will respond only to the court cases which are filed before us. The nature of the case can be anything. It may be pertaining to a protest also. And as I have been saying, and I still repeat it, that the Supreme Court is open 24/7 for every consumer of justice, and whosoever has any grievance, they are most welcome. But they need to come within the with a prescribed format and the manner in which the petitions are filed in Supreme Court. So my request will be that people should not expect that every letter addressed here should be entertained as a petition. That will become a very unmanageable affair. But the lawyers, particularly who are well conversant with the law pleadings and the manner in which the petitions are filed in Supreme Court, they are at least expected to file a proper petition in Supreme Court, and will never say no to any such case as and when filed. Today itself, in fact, two petitions, I believe, those have been filed. A mention was made in the court with their diary number, and I have welcomed them. I have listed them already.
So another issue has been with regard to the comments that have been made. A lot is being said about you being misquoted. There's a lot being said
yes,
about
I
the
said
court
in the morning, I said in the
comments.
court, I said very firmly in the court that I have been misquoted. Unfortunately, the correct reporting is not being made. Somebody start making mention of listing of a matter which he has never filed. So what to do with that kind of case? So I had to tell them that please don't waste your time and my time, because you don't file the case. What I'm going to hear? I can hear only when you file a petition. Therefore, I had to advise the counsel, the young lawyers, they should learn it. They should understand the seriousness of the court proceeding. These are very solemn proceedings in nature, and they should respect the procedure that has been laid down under the rules. So this is how I commented, and I believe there was nothing wrong in that. The question is only that when you file the petition, do the Supreme Court registry respond to that or not? And do I act promptly or not? That I have assured everyone. The first time it is happening in Supreme Court that when you file a case within 2 days after curing the defects, the matter is automatically listed. You are not even required to make a mention to me. You have a right to get your matter listed before the Supreme Court. But if there is an extreme emergency, I do entertain those requests. And like today only, the mentioning was made, and I have listed the matters.
So one more thing was that the Cockroach Janata Party itself has gotten its name from one comment that you had made.
No comments on that.
So, and any message that you would want to send to the students and the young people who are out on the streets still protesting about what is happening?
Well, I think I will speak about this on judicial side.
Thank you very much, Lordship. So this was the Chief Justice of India saying that very clearly that any petitions that are filed properly before the court will be entertained, and that he should not be misquoted, and nor should anybody expect the court to take up a matter without a petition being filed.